All right. Well, thank you everyone for attending our Medicare webinar series, The Importance of Ancillary Coverage, Protecting More Than Just Your Health. Many people focus on their health insurance plan, but overlook other financial risks. So today we're going to be introducing ancillary insurance products and explaining their purpose and show how they can help reduce financial gaps. All right, and my name is Carissa Evans, and I will be your host for this event today. Before we discuss the individual products, let's start by defining what ancillary coverage is. Ancillary coverage refers to insurance products that work alongside your primary health insurance plan. While insurance helps pay for medical services such as doctor visits, hospital stays, and surgeries, it doesn't cover every expense a person may face when dealing with an illness, injury, or unexpected life event. Many people are surprised to learn that even with good health insurance, they may still be responsible for deductibles, co-payments, co-insurance, travel expenses, lost income, or other out-of-pocket costs. Ancillary coverage is designed to help provide financial protection in those situations. Think of ancillary coverage as filling in the gaps. These products can help reduce financial stress and provide additional support when life doesn't go according to plan. Examples of ancillary coverage include dental, cancer protection plans, travel insurance, hospital indemnity coverage, life insurance, and final expense planning. Each serves a different purpose, but they all share a common goal, helping protect your finances and providing greater peace of mind. It is important to understand that ancillary products are not intended to replace health insurance. Instead, they complement your existing coverage and help create a more complete protection strategy. Today, we will be providing a brief overview of several common ancillary products and discuss why many individuals choose to include them as part of their overall financial and insurance planning. Let's begin with one of the most commonly used ancillary products, dental insurance. Dental insurance is one of the most common and widely used ancillary insurance products. While original Medicare generally does not cover routine dental care, maintaining good oral health is an important part of overall health and wellness. Regular dental visits can help identify issues early and may prevent more serious and costly problems in the future. Dental insurance is designed to help cover services such as routine cleanings, exams, x-rays, fillings, extractions, and depending on the plan, more extensive procedures like crowns, dentures, implants. More dental plans focus on preventative care by covering routine cleanings and exams at little or no cost to the member. Preventative care not only helps maintain oral health, but can also reduce the need for more expensive treatments later on. When evaluating dental coverage, it's important to consider factors such as monthly premiums, annual maximum benefits, waiting periods, provider networks, and the type of services that are covered. For many individuals, dental insurance provides predictable cost and financial protection against unexpected dental expenses. Even a single major dental procedure can cost hundreds or even thousands of dollars, making coverage a valuable consideration for those who want to protect both their health and their budget. Ultimately, dental insurance helps provide individuals access to the care they need while reducing the financial burden associated with maintaining good oral health. Now that we've discussed dental insurance, let's take a look at another form of ancillary protection, cancer protection plans. Cancer protection plans are designed to help provide financial support when an individual is diagnosed with cancer. While health insurance helps cover medical treatment costs, a cancer diagnosis often creates additional expenses that health insurance may not fully cover. These can include deductibles, co-payments, travel costs for treatment, lodging, household expenses, and even lost income due to time away from work. Cancer protection plans typically pay cash benefits directly to the policyholder upon a covered cancer diagnosis or during treatment, depending on the specific plan. Because these benefits are generally paid directly to the insured, the funds can often be used however they are needed most. A cancer diagnosis can affect not only a person's health, but also their financial well being. Many families experience significant financial strain while focusing on treatment and recovery. The purpose of a cancer protection plan is to help ease some of that burden and provide additional financial flexibility during a difficult time. These plans can vary significantly in terms of benefits, covered conditions, waiting periods, and payout structures. As with any insurance product, it's important to review the details carefully to understand how the coverage works. Cancer protection plans are not intended to replace your health insurance. Instead, they serve as a supplemental layer of protection that can help individuals and families better manage the financial challenges that often accompany a serious illness. For many people, having this additional protection provides peace of mind, knowing they have financial resources available if they ever face a cancer diagnosis. While cancer protection plans help address the financial challenges associated with a specific illness, hospital indemnity coverage takes a broader approach by providing cash benefits when you are hospitalized for a covered event. Well, let's take a look at how hospital indemnity insurance can help offset some of the unexpected costs that often come with a hospital stay. Hospital indemnity coverage. This insurance is designed to help provide financial support when a covered hospitalization occurs. Even with health insurance, a hospital stay can result in an unexpected out of pocket expense. Deductibles, co-payments, co-insurance, transportation costs, and other non medical expenses can add up quickly during a hospital stay. Hospital indemnity plans typically pay a cash benefit directly to the policyholder when a covered hospitalization occurs. Depending on the plan, benefits may be paid for hospital admission, overnight stay, intensive care unit stay, outpatient surgeries, and other covered medical events. One of the key advantages of a hospital indemnity coverage is flexibility. Since benefits are generally paid directly to the insured, the money can often be used however it is needed most. Some people use the funds to help cover medical expenses, while others use them for everyday costs such as rent, mortgage, utilities, groceries, or transportation. Another important feature of many hospital indemnity plans is the availability of optional riders that can enhance the coverage beyond just a hospital stay. Depending on the carrier and plan design, riders may provide benefits for services such as diagnostic testing, including MRIs, CT scans, PET scans, outpatient surgery procedures, skilled nursing facility care, ambulance transportation, and other healthcare services that can generate unexpected expenses. These additional benefits can help provide broader financial protection and may help address costs that traditional health insurance does not fully cover. A hospital stay or a serious medical event can create both health concerns and financial stress. Hospital indemnity coverage is designed to help provide an extra layer of financial protection during those challenging times. It is important to remember that indemnity insurance, again, is not a substitute for major medical coverage. Instead, it works alongside your health insurance to help reduce the financial impact of a hospitalization and other covered healthcare services. For many individuals, this coverage provides added peace of mind by helping ensure that an unexpected medical event does not become an unexpected financial burden. Throughout today's presentation, we discuss ways to help protect against unexpected medical expenses and financial challenges that arise during life. Final expense planning focuses on a different but equally important concern, helping loved ones manage the cost and financial responsibilities that occur at the end of life. Now let's take a look at how final expense coverage can help provide peace of mind, ease the financial burden on family members, and help ensure that funds are available for funeral costs, outstanding bills, and other financial expenses. Final expense insurance. is designed to help provide funds to cover expenses that may arise at the end of life. When a loved one passes away, family members are often faced with difficult emotional decisions while also managing unexpected financial responsibilities. Funeral services, burial, or cremation costs, memorial expenses, and outstanding bills can create a significant financial burden during an already challenging time. Final expense plans are generally a type of whole life insurance designed specifically to help cover these costs. The policy pays a death benefit to the beneficiary who can use the funds for funeral expenses, medical bills, outstanding debt, or any other financial needs. One of the reasons final expense coverage is popular is its simplicity. These plans often offer smaller benefit amounts than traditional life insurance policies and may have streamlined underwriting requirements, making coverage more accessible for many individuals. The average cost of a funeral and related services can easily reach several $1,000s. Without a plan in place, these expenses may fall on surviving family members. Final expense coverage helps family prepare for these costs in advance and can reduce financial stress during a difficult time. Beyond the financial benefit, many people choose final expense coverage because it allows them to leave a legacy of preparedness. Rather than leaving loved ones to worry about how expenses will be paid, they can have confidence knowing a plan is already in place. It is important to understand that final expense insurance is not intended to replace a comprehensive life insurance strategy. Instead, it focuses on helping cover end of life expenses and providing financial support when it's needed the most. For many individuals and families, final expense planning offers peace of mind knowing that loved ones will have financial resources available to help manage final expenses and other immediate financial obligations. While final expense coverage helps address costs associated with end of life insurance can provide broader financial protection and long term security for the people who depend on us. Let's take a look at how life insurance helps families protect their financial future. Life insurance is, oh, thank you. Thank you, Madison. Um, yes, all questions will be answered at the end. I look forward to answering y'all's questions. Life insurance. Life insurance is one of the most important tools available for protecting the financial future of the people we care about the most. At its core, life insurance provides a death benefit to designated beneficiaries when the insured person passes away. These funds can help loved ones maintain financial stability during a difficult transition. Many families rely on life insurance to help cover everyday living expenses, mortgage payments, outstanding debts, education costs, and other financial obligations. The goal is to help ensure that a family can continue moving forward financially even after the loss of a loved one. Life insurance can be especially important for individuals who have spouses, children, dependents, or others who rely on their income or financial support. However, it can also be valuable for individuals who want to leave a financial legacy, support a charitable cause, or help cover final expenses. There are several types of life insurance available, including term life and permanent life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period of time, while permanent life insurance is designed to provide lifelong coverage as long as policy requirements are met. Some permanent life insurance policies may also build cash value over time, which can provide additional financial flexibility depending on the policy design. The amount of coverage a person may need depends on their unique financial situation, goals, and family responsibilities. Factors such as income replacement, debt, future expenses, and long term financial objectives should all be considered when evaluating coverage needs. Life insurance is ultimately about protecting the people who matter most. It provides financial security, helps preserve a family lifestyle, and can offer a peace of mind knowing that loved ones will have resources available when they need it most. For many families, life insurance serves as the foundation of a broader financial protection strategy, helping ensure that future goals and financial obligations can still be met even in the face of life's uncertainties. As we've discussed, life insurance is designed to help protect the financial future of those we care about most. But protection isn't only important for long-term planning, it's also important when we are enjoying life's experiences, including travel. Whether you're taking a vacation, visiting family, or traveling overseas, unexpected situations can arise that impact both your plans and your finances. Travel insurance is designed to help provide protection against many of the unforeseen events that can occur during or before a trip. Let's take a closer look at travel insurance and how it can help provide peace of mind when you're away from home. Travel insurance. When most people think about travel insurance, they often think about trip cancellation or lost luggage. However, one of the most important benefits can be protection against unexpected medical expenses while traveling. Travel medical insurance is designed to help cover medical costs that may arise if you become sick or injured while away from home. This can be especially important when traveling internationally. Many travelers are surprised to learn that original Medicare generally does not provide coverage outside the United States, with only a few limited expectations. Even some Medicare Advantage plans may offer limited coverage when traveling abroad. As a result, travelers could be responsible for significant medical expenses if they need treatment while they're overseas. Travel medical insurance can help cover the expenses such as doctor visits, emergency room care, hospital stays, prescription medications, and urgent medical treatment for covered illnesses or injuries that occurred during your trip. Many plans also include emergency medical evacuation coverage. If a traveler experiences a serious illness or injury and must be transported to an appropriate medical facility, evacuation costs can reach tens of thousands of dollars, or even more in remote locations. Travel medical insurance can help provide protection against these potentially devastating expenses. In addition to financial protection, many travel medical plans offer 24-hour assistance services. These services can help travelers locate medical providers, coordinate care, arrange transportation, and provide support during medical emergencies. Travel medical insurance is not intended to replace your regular health insurance. Instead, it serves as a temporary layer of protection while traveling and helps address coverage gaps that may exist outside your normal service area or outside the United States. For travelers, especially those on Medicare, travel medical insurance can provide valuable peace of mind by helping ensure access to care and protection from unexpected medical expenses while away from home. So, whether you're traveling across the country or around the world, having a plan in place for unexpected medical situations can make a significant difference. That's why many travelers consider travel medical insurance as part as an important part of their overall travel planning. So, how does all this come together? So, one of the most important concepts to understand about ancillary coverage is that it's designed to help fill financial gaps that may remain even when someone has health insurance. Many people assume that having health insurance means all healthcare related expenses are covered. In reality, most health plans include deductibles, copayments, coinsurance, and out of pocket maximums. In addition, there are many expenses that health insurance may not cover at all. For example, if someone is hospitalized, they may face deductibles and copays, but they may also have additional expenses such as transportation cost, lodging for family, or lost income from missed work. Hospital indemnity coverage can help provide cash benefits to offset some of these costs. If an individual is diagnosed with cancer, medical treatment may be covered by health insurance, but there can still be a significant out of pocket expense related to treatment, travel, medication, and daily living expenses. Cancer protection plans can help provide financial support during that difficult time. Dental insurance helps address routine and major dental care expenses that are often not covered by Medicare or many health insurance plans. Travel medical insurance can help provide protection when healthcare coverage is limited or unavailable while you're traveling, especially if you're outside the United States. And of course, life insurance and final expense coverage address a different type of financial gap by helping the loved ones manage financial obligations and expenses after a person has passed. The key takeaway is that ancillary coverage is not designed to replace health insurance. Instead, it works alongside existing coverage to help protect against unexpected expenses, reduce financial stress, and provide additional peace of mind. When combined with health insurance plan, ancillary products can create a more comprehensive protection strategy that helps individuals and families prepare for a wider range of life's uncertainties. As we conclude today's overview, let's review a few key takeaways about ancillary coverage. First, ancillary coverage is designed to complement, not replace, your primary health insurance. These products work alongside your existing coverage to help address expenses and financial risks that health insurance alone may not fully cover. Second, different ancillary products serve different purposes. Dental insurance, of course, helps with your oral. Hospital indemnity coverage provides cash benefits during hospital stays and other covered medical events. Cancer protection plans can help with costs associated with the cancer diagnosis. Travel medical insurance can provide protection while away from home. And life insurance and final expense helps provide financial security for your loved ones. Third, ancillary coverage can help reduce financial stress during unexpected situations, whether it's a medical event, a serious illness, travel emergency, or end of life expenses. These products are designed to provide additional financial support when it may be needed most. Fourth, everyone's situation is different. The right combination of coverage depends on an individual's health, financial goals, family circumstance, and personal priorities. What works well for one person may not be the best fit for someone else. And finally, the goal of an ancillary coverage is peace of mind. By helping address potential financial gaps, these products can play an important role in creating a more comprehensive protection strategy. I'd like to say thank you for joining us today. This presentation was intended to provide a high-level overview of ancillary coverage options. During the annual enrollment period, we will be offering more detailed educational sessions that take a deeper dive into each of these products and how they work. And now I would like to open the floor to questions. I am happy to answer any questions you may have about the products we discussed today. Chat now and look. All right, and I see Jason, you asked, do I need financial expense insurance and life insurance? And can I go to any funeral home or is there a network with final expense? Well, to answer your second question, with final expense insurance, um, you do not have to go to a certain funeral home. Um, you would pick your beneficiary and that money would go to who you chose it to go to. And for final expense insurance and life insurance, that's a again, it kind of goes with every person is different. Um, again, final expense is more again for burying. Life insurance can be used for that, but most people want to use the life insurance to leave a legacy. So that was something we could look at. And I think that was the only questions. Any other questions? Raymond Williams asked, so the Medicare Advantage plan will cover me in the US, but I should consider a travel policy while traveling internationally. Correct, Mr. Williams. I always recommend when traveling outside of the US to purchase a travel policy. And Jason Jones said, what about dental insurance? Is it specific to dentist? Yes, when it comes to dental insurance, you would want to make sure your dentist was in the network. Some dental plans are, you can go in and out of network. If you go out of their network, you may pay more than if you went in network. You're welcome, Jason. Miss Sandra's typing. Oop, her bubble went away. All right. Oh, here you go. How does the cost of for travel insurance compare with like the insurance offered by cruise lines or through travel agencies? Yes. So we would love to, again, because each of these policies are going to be unique to the person and the need. So we would love to quote that for you and show you the different options so you can take that and compare it to what the cruise line offers. Oh, Jason. Jason Jones asked, what qualifications do you need to consider when determining who can help with these products? What qualifications do you need to consider? Jason, will you explain? Okay, so Jason, I think what you're asking is what when you're saying what qualifications do you need to consider when determining who can help with these products? He's coming back. And then housekeeping, where can I find the volume control in this meeting program? Madison, are you able to answer Raymond Williams' question? And then, so Jason, you're asking again, anybody help with selling a product? No. So these ancillary products, you do have to be a licensed insurance agent to write these products. Sandra, yes. Um, that is, I will take that into consideration. I'll probably get Jordan to do that one. Because as you see, our Madison, as you see, I'm reaching out to Madison asking her, how can we control the volume? Okay, Madison's reply to you, Mr. Williams, if you select more, then you can control that. All right, guys. Well, as Raven and William, I'll let y'all type in. Um, as a reminder, we will be offering. Oh, you can't hear anything, Miss Sandra? Um, As a reminder, we will be offering additional educational webinars on a variety of important insurance and retirement related topics throughout the year. These sessions are designed to provide more in-depth information and help you make informed decisions about your coverage and financial protection options. If you're interested in joining us for any of these upcoming webinars, you may register by visiting cipmedicare.com or by using the registration link that Miss Madison has provided in the chat. Thank you again for spending part of your day with us. We appreciate the opportunity to serve as your trusted resource for Medicare and ancillary coverage education. I am going to go to another slide that's going to tell you about some webinars and educational opportunities that we have planned over the next few weeks. And we again encourage you to register for these upcoming educational events. We thank you again for joining us today, and we hope to see you on the 16th. I will be going over turning 65 and still working, and then Miss Lee is going to be talking on June 23rd about is your supplement costing you too much and what that would look like. Well, again, we thank you for joining our Medicare webinar series. We hope you have a wonderful day, and we will see you soon.